getting totally soaked, man. This is fun. Starting from the parking lot there and heading up to see the various sites this way. All right, definitely getting totally soaked. Oh my God. Ah! Oh man, this is fun.
My feet are sopping wet and my socks.
Yeah, my feet are totally soaked. From Luna Island, there's a bit of a walk upriver to get to the bridge to cross. There's the pedestrian bridge across to Green Island right there. I'm guessing these green fields give Green Island its name. Heading upriver from the falls, there's a paved trail that goes around most of the island and over to the Three Sisters, one of the few outlooks we didn't see. Got a little sidetrack here. I saw the sign and it says stay on the trail, but when you come over there is actually a trail. So I'm gonna check it out. The trail appears to go in two directions. That one's more overgrown, so I'm gonna go this way. Oh, this gets you right to the water's edge. A little place, I guess you could have a picnic or something here. The water here is really moving. That overgrown trail appears to lead to these nice little falls on the side here. All right, I'm going back through the overgrown trail now. It's not really that overgrown. Right here is the tip of the island, exactly opposite of the waterfalls. Down on this end of the island, there are virtually no people. Lots of geese, but no people. So if you're looking for a quiet little hike while you're here at Niagara, this is a good place to go to. This is the last thing plotted on the map that I'm going to see today before completing the loop. Three Sisters, 3 islands connected by these bridges. After this bridge here, we got another little side trail. Let's see where it goes. Probably just goes down to the water's edge. It starts to get kind of overgrown back here. I think I'll just go back to the main trail. This here is the last bridge. It takes you to the 3rd island, so the 3rd sister. The one farthest out in the middle of the water. The trail to the Three Sisters is just out and back. So since we've reached the 3rd sister, time to head back. So I'm now back at Terrapin Point, which completes the loop around Goat Island.